What's up guys, it's me Geek. So this is the essential phone PH-1 running on the Android 9 Pie. To swipe back the app, you can easily swipe. Can you see this? Floating whatever palette you wanna call. Just click like this. You can in Android 8 and 7 you can do like this. You can swipe one back app. You can easily swipe. If I just do one time, it will swipe back. You see? Yeah. Exit. Okay. Let me exit this app. Okay, yeah, now you can see I can easily swipe. I can open some new app like this, maybe calculator. As you can see, I can easily swipe back. This is how you swipe the app. Yeah, let me open maybe agenda. Yeah, so yeah, this is how you swipe the app. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.